Pound cake, a timeless classic with its rich, buttery goodness you can use in many different ways. Trust the process. Believe in yourself. Now let's sweeten things up. All right, you want to start off by getting your loaf pan out and greasing it up, whether with butter, Crisco, or spraying it with any cooking spray. Now you want to get a small to medium mixing bowl, and we're going to whisk together our 1 1/3 cups of all-purpose flour, and we'll have 3/4 teaspoon of baking powder and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We'll just whisk those together just to get them combined. Okay, now we'll set that aside. Now we're going to grab our stand mixer or hand mixer if that's what you have on hand. With our stand mixer fitted with a paddle attachment, we're going to cream together our butter and sugar. And I have 1 cup of butter, or it'll be 2 sticks of butter, softened to room temperature, and a 1/2 cup of sugar. We're just going to cream this up, and it'll take about 2 minutes. It'll be light and fluffy. All right, once we've got all of the butter and sugar creamed together and it's light and fluffy, we're going to add 3 eggs, 1 at a time, and blend after each one. Okay, we're going to add in a 1/2 cup of sweetened condensed milk. Let's blend in the sweetened condensed milk a little bit. Okay, and now we have 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And again, blend that in. We're going to just go ahead and add the dry ingredients. We mix that on slow speed just to get well combined. Scrape down the sides 1 last time. And again, on slow speed, let's go ahead and mix it and make sure everything is well combined. All right, there we have it. We have our mixture all made together. It's well combined, and we're going to go ahead and put this aside, and we're going to grab our loaf pan. Okay, earlier we had greased up the loaf pan, and now we're just going to go ahead and pour our batter into that loaf pan. Okay, once we have everything out of the mixing bowl, we're going to just make sure we get that really thick dough into the corners of your loaf pan and spread it out evenly. Now we're going to go ahead and put our loaf pan in a preheated 325-degree oven for approximately 60 to 65 minutes. Just got it out of the oven. It was in for about 60 minutes. I did a test of just testing to see if it's firm, plus we did a poke test. Well, you can use a toothpick or a cake tester, as long as it comes out clean, it's done. And then I also will just kind of separate the edges, just make sure it's not going to be sticking, and just separate the edges a little bit. And then just let it sit in the pan for about 10 minutes before you take it out. All right, I just took it out of the pan. It had been in there cooling. I set it on the rack. Now I'm going to cut a piece here. We're going to get David in to try it. Let's see what he thinks. David! David! Hey, I got pound cake for you today.
I like pound cake.
Pound cake. It's still kind of warm.
You hungry? No.
You can use pound cake as a base for just about anything. You can pour any sauce over it.
It's very versatile.
But I've used it for a base for strawberry shortcake. Just put plain berries on it if you want. Chocolate sauce, peanut butter sauce.
That's so good.
I've even had lemon sauce on it. It goes with anything. It's buttery.
Very good. It's dense, but it's not dense. I don't know how to explain that. Really moist is what it is. Crispy. Oh, that's so good.
Pound cake is.
I just got off work again. Did not expect this, so I'm happy. I've been eating all day, so anyway, delicious.
Can't go wrong with it.
Oh, yeah, that works.
Trust the process. Believe in yourself. Have a great day.
Have a wonderful day.
Wonderful.
Wonderful day.
See you later.